Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by assessing the prey's size and position. Pythons use heat pits and vision to pick the most vulnerable spot. Once chosen, you commit to a rapid lateral strike aimed at the head or neck to minimize resistance. Make sure to clamp the jaw with a firm bite that immobilizes the target and prevents it from fleeing or fighting back. After the bite, shift your body to loop the forebody. This is the moment to transition from a strike into constriction without delay. Once the bite is secure, move your forebody to throw coils around the prey's torso, aiming for the chest or abdomen. You tighten the coils in stages. Each exhalation from the prey grants the snake leverage to increase compression. This prevents rapid fatigue. Make sure to use anchor points on the ground or branches to hold position while winding successive loops. While wrapping, monitor the prey's movements and adjust coil placement to maintain even pressure and stop any twisting that could loosen the grip. You hold constriction until the prey stops breathing and shows no heartbeat, maintaining steady pressure rather than a single crushing squeeze. Once confirmed, begin the progressive, head-first swallowing process, working the jaws alternately while pulling the prey forward with body undulations. Make sure to reposition coils to aid leverage as the prey moves. If the prey shifts, slips, or starts to thrash, reapply coils immediately and secure the original bite. Prompt readjustment prevents loss of grip and reduces the risk of injury.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.